Hey guys, welcome to the new video. This is the slimmest and powerful Apple iMac with the latest M1 Bionic chip. So here we have it. Let's now unbox this. Opening up on the top, there is the computer. Let's just take it out of the box. We'll keep it aside. And coming to the box, first there is a keyboard. Then a lightning cable, a power brick, an adapter, a mouse, and finally paperwork with some Apple stickers. Now let's take off the wrap from the computer, and this is how the 24-inch iMac looks like. So now coming to the design on the front side, it just looks like a minimal PC. But while on the back, it comes up with a super premium finish look with an Apple logo on it. This iMac is so thin and very light in weight compared to the other computers. And this iMac comes in 7 different types of colors, as you can purchase it according to your furniture. Coming to the speakers, they are right below the display, which are so good and the sound is sharp while listening. The keyboard and mouse which is provided is so light in weight and both have the color of the computer you get. It also has a fingerprint scanner on the top right, which is very responsive, and the keyboard is also so smooth while using it. Coming to the connectivity, this computer has 4 Type-C ports, in which 2 of them are Thunderbolt ports. Then on the center, it has a power supply port, and on the side, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Coming to the buttons, it has a power button on the back. As this computer is provided with the M1 chip, it runs so fast and smooth while scrolling or opening apps. So this iMac is provided with a 24-inch 4.5K Retina display with 500 nits brightness, and this display produces the colors so accurately while watching videos or while editing. And at last, you can also adjust the angle of the display as you wish. It also has a 1080p FaceTime HD camera. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in the next video.